In this video, we'll demonstrate how to repair and protect the leading edge of a wind turbine blade from erosion and impact damage using Belzona 5721. Start by removing the gel coats using a suitable mechanical tool. If required, rebuild the blade using a suitable paste-grade material. Using an appropriate former, smooth out the material along the leading edge of the blade. Remove any masking tape along the blade. The rebuild material should be allowed to cure before applying Belzona 5721. The unit size for Belzona 5721 is optimized for ease of mixing and application. Transfer the entire contents of the solidifier component into the base component. Mix the product thoroughly for a minimum of 2 minutes to achieve a uniform material. Next, transfer the mixed material into a cartridge and load the cartridge into a gun, ready for application. Apply Belzona 5721 evenly along the blade. Using an appropriate former, spread the material evenly across the surface. Remove any tape before allowing the material to cure. Belzona 5721 can achieve a full cure in as little as 6 hours, resulting in a fast return to service. For more information, visit belzona.com/5721.